Well, I need to apologize about the last video I made. The audio was totally screwed up. And the reason for that is because it's the audio out of the QCam Ego 3D camera. It's crap. If you don't believe me, go back and listen to it. It's just, it's horrible. Basically not usable, or unusable. So I'm going to use this DR-05 recorder and composite with the video, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, Vern? So anyway, I don't know if you can see what's going on outside, but I don't even want to go out there. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. I mean, you can hear it. I mean, it's just absolutely pouring right now. You can also hear the raindrops hitting my heater's vent or whatever up on the roof. So I'm not going out that door. Not going out that door, kids. I'm going to stay right in here where it's dry and pray that this rain goes away sometime soon and doesn't come back for another 5 years. Or we've lived here since 2008. It's a long time ago, and we've never seen it do this. So it wouldn't break my heart if we go that long again. You know what I mean?